A weekly check-in. Here is what I look like today. Outfit is by Gymshark, long sleeve Gymshark t-shirt and Gymshark leggings. Want to try to get a workout in today. I was recently sent this Odiforgo milk frother. We're gonna whip up some recipes with this. I think I'm going to make cappuccino. Pour some half and half. Oh, I don't know, maybe that was too much. I'm addicted to coconut creamer. Having a really hard time getting rid of that for my diet. So I'm going to mix in my half and half, a little bit of my coconut syrup. This is Coffee Bar Coconut Sugar-Free Gourmet Syrup. And I'm just gonna put, I don't know, about that much in there. This is just a guess. This has 3 settings, low, medium, and high. I'm gonna go with low, because they say this is pretty darn powerful. Go on low. Medium. It is powerful. It kind of just takes off. Ooh, look at that froth. Look at that go. All right. Pour it into my coffee. Let's test her out. Oh, that's pretty good. It's almost like I made my own sweet cream right here at home. I'm gonna add this egg beater attachment and make some breakfast to go with my coffee. And I am just using two whole eggs and some egg whites. Not measuring anything here. I'm just kind of throwing stuff together. So 2 eggs and some egg whites. And we are going to take this and beat us up some eggs. Oh God. Took that splatter right to the face. Yeah, this is powerful. Holy shit, it's like a KitchenAid mixer. But handheld. We've got like a handheld KitchenAid mixer. Look at how fluffy that's fluffing up my eggs. I'm making a mess. A bad mess. But look how fluffy. They are fluffy. I am just gonna cook them on the stove as my breakfast. Scrambled eggs, some bacon, and my cappuccino. I'm gonna whip up a protein shake before my workout, and I'm just going to use a Premier protein shake. Instead of mixing up powder, I'm just gonna use this, it's easier. I'm gonna dump that into my cup. I like to add pudding to my shakes. I have this sugar-free butterscotch pudding mix. We're just gonna add about a tablespoon of this. Not really measuring. Usually I do measure this, but I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. It's about a tablespoon. Added a little bit of hot water to it to help it dissolve a little better. But I struggle usually getting my pudding mixes dissolved all the way. I am going to test this attachment on here and see if I can get this pudding mixed in here with this attachment. This is our stir. It's like a stirrer spoon. Stirrer. I can't. Stirrer. Let's try this. All my pudding mix. Definitely helps to use a deeper dish, bowl, cup. The more shallow, the more splatter. That blended up perfectly. Look at that. Ooh, that looks really good, doesn't it? And I'm not done. I'm going to take some heavy cream and put it here in my cup, and we're gonna make a topping. This has 0 carbs, and I'm gonna go on medium and just whip this into a sweet cream. Use the same cup as my pudding, so a little bit of that butterscotch flavor will come into this heavy cream. I'm using the wrong attachment. The right attachment now. This is the frother. This is what I want to mix my cream. Let's try again. This is chargeable, so I'm gonna put it on the charger. Didn't charge it, so I'm using the charge it came with. So I think it's dying. My bad. But I got quite a bit of charge out of that. I'll plug it in and charge it up for later. It's blinking, telling me I need to charge it. Easy protein shake. That whipped up seamlessly. Yeah, that's good. There is my protein shake before I go work out. You want to get your hands on one of these little mixers. They're only around $21.99. It comes with 3 different attachments in this handy stand here. Like I said, it's actually chargeable, so it's pretty neat. I will leave a link in the description box. Get one today. You won't regret it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, everybody. I had a pretty productive week this week. I actually accomplished 3 days of exercise and some healthier eating options. So I'm pretty happy with the week. I definitely need to do better. I need to up my water still. I'm not doing the best at that, but at least I hit some exercise goals this week and made myself some healthy meals with the hand mixer. Drop your comments down in the comment section and let me know how you did this week. And what did you think of the milk frother? Is that something you would think about picking up? It's pretty cool and quite handy. I like it quite a bit. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me again, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.